Violetta will show us slow Foxtrot gold level choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We take close hold, make preparation step, and then we dance curve feather. Notice ladies rise on toes because of curve. Then open impetus with man's heel turn. We finish in promenade and start running weave from promenade position. We continue with outside swivel. Again promenade position and natural zigzag from promenade position. Then open telemark and open natural turn. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall. So we start to move with curve feather diagonally to wall, then we change direction down line of dance in open impetus. We finish in promenade position diagonally to center and dance running weave, moving slightly diagonally to center and finish down line of dance. Outside swivel against line of dance, and down line of dance we continue with natural zigzag. Then open telemark. We finish diagonally into corner and we dance into corner with open natural turn. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.